Good afternoon, MJ here, Business Development and Dade Specialist with Dade County Federal, bringing you this week's financial 2-minute drill on 4 ways you can pay for vacation. With summer around the corner, remaining physically and financially fit is the best way you can enjoy your summer break. At DCFCU, we offer savings accounts, unsecured loans, skip a payment, and even vacation club accounts. Each option is here to help our members enjoy their summer to the fullest extent. Whether it's Orlando or Rome, keeping a separate savings account specifically for vacation and adding to it throughout the year makes it easier to explore places you've dreamt of visiting. Thinking you can't possibly save money at this time to take your dream vacation? Don't lose sleep over it. Members can apply for one of our unsecured loans online in minutes. If you feel this time of the year is not right for you for vacation due to the loan payments or expenses, ask your DCFCU representative for more information on Skip Pay. Finally, for those that have a difficult time saving, our vacation account was made specifically for you. The money members contribute to this account is not accessible via ATM, but is transferred to the members' savings April 1st to support their vacation needs. There you have it. Dade County Federal is delighted to provide you with any information you need to take your dream vacation this year. Thank you for 2 minutes of your time. Give us a call, start packing, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Have a wonderful rest of the week.